Their flying monkeys will fly right into karma for aligning with this individual or these individuals to come up against you. Whether it's done knowingly or unknowingly is irrelevant as far as spirit is concerned. Whoever these people are, yeah, maybe they were contracted to be a hidden enemy, but they could now be an open enemy to some of you. And they chose to be a flying monkey to individuals who have some type of one-sided beef with you. And with these type of dynamics, what tends to happen is some individuals who are equally as threatened by you will side with the dominant force, the person that they feel is the more powerful one to take you down. They are too afraid to take you down themselves, so they will align with others, and those others will do the dirty work of the person that they seem to believe is the higher authority for whatever reason. Whether or not you've been nice to these people or you've never had a run-in in with these people, all that is irrelevant. So because they have chosen, because it is actually a choice, to do the dirty work of a person that they know has been targeting you or doesn't like you or whatever the case is, they will face karma for doing so, if not worse than the actual narcissist who is sending out these flying monkeys, whether it's knowingly or unknowingly. Okay? Because these people are working on demon time. And some of these individuals, if not most, they are being used by entities. They have entity attachments. Maybe they overindulge in vices, etc., which leaves them spiritually open to be then taken over. And because they have been taken over, they are in a state of, and it doesn't have to be vices. In some case, it could be they are having money issues. So it's led, I should say, to some type of depression. There is some type of toxic energy anyway that they feel bounded and restricted to. Maybe they hate their job. Maybe they do have addiction. Maybe they are depressed for whatever reason, and their vibrations are very low. So when they align with the narcissistic individual who is targeting you or whatever the case is, they align because they are all resonating off the same vibrational frequency, which is the frequency of despair. It's a low vibration. So when they see your light, or when they see that you are being targeted, whether or not they know, I believe they know because they're flying monkeys, right? It gives them that little sense of satisfaction to take them away from their own going ons to target you. Like I mentioned before, their choices are going to lead to their demise. Not only will whatever's affecting them will get worse, it will also expose their toxicity. Their behavior, I should say, will also expose their toxicity. If they were able to hide their toxic behavior from others, people will notice that they are very toxic. People will feel as though they don't want to be around them. They don't want to be around them. Their energy will be off. Their energy will be rigid. Their energy will be, very stern, cold, mean-spirited. And people will see that despite it all, you've remained triumphant. Or people will see that this person is very chaotic. This person is mean-spirited. And you have remained dignified throughout it all. You're independent. You're focused. And it will be a heavy contrast to this other person's behavior. So you don't even have to say nothing to people. People will see, because whoever these people are, these flying monkeys, they're carrying heavy, heavy energy. Very toxic and dense energy compared to you being vibrant and bright and just focused on your goals and minding your own business. Literally focusing on yourself, focusing on your self-mastery, focusing at work and moving away from drama. But these flying monkeys, they wanted to move towards you and bring chaos and conflict and toxicity into your life, because they are jealous of the fact that you have inner peace. They are jealous of the fact that people are drawn to you. They're jealous of your confidence, and they wanted to humble you. They wanted to humiliate you. They wanted to trigger you. They wanted to humble you. Everything that they did was because of a lack that they feel within. It's like they wanted to swap energies with you. They wanted you to feel like, your environment wasn't safe. They wanted you to feel as if you're not that attractive, you're not that popular, you're not that likable. It was all designed to break you down, because they are a refusal to heal, and their lack of healing is becoming very evident to people that were oblivious to it before. They are in a pick-me energy, seeking validation. Their love life is going in shambles. So they try to intervene into yours, which will actually blow up in their face if it didn't do so already. They try to manufacture an image of someone being caring and kind, when in actual fact they were being a blockage to you and maybe others. They will be seen as manipulative. And they will be ostracized and kicked out of a group, club, organization. Even if people are still around these people, they will feel as though people don't want to bond with them as they did so before. They'll start getting iced out, and they will be clinging on to anyone that they can find to hold on to. In desperation. They wanted you to be all up in your head, stuck and trapped and fearful that you're not wanted. They wanted to create doubt within your mind, right? And part of their karma is to see that you're shining even more. Part of their karma is to see that their actions did not affect you. Part of their karma is to see that whoever they tried to come in between, whether that was a friendship, I feel more so it was a romantic relationship, that connection is going from strength to strength. Whatever shenanigans they try to, throw into the mix to make your person or you second out each other, it's only going to make you both stronger. You gaining the abundance and blessings that you deserve is part of their karma. They try to alter and do the devil's dirty work. They could be flying monkeys from the devil, or I feel like whoever is the main ringleader of these minions is the devil. It is a demon, right? In real form. They wanted you to be isolated and chucked out of an organization, of a group, of a workplace, of, this is like bullying, adult bullying. You're going to be celebrated and they're going to have to witness it. And them witnessing it, it's going to look like this. because they have to maneuver, they have to strategize. So they gathered up the troops to try and spiritually bully you, only to find that you're being celebrated, only to find that they are not as popular as they thought they were, only to find that you are still loved, only to find that you still love yourself. Is part of their karma. They'll be forced out of an environment, or they will actually remove themselves. Someone may actually call them out. Someone may actually cuss them out. They'll be cut off from connections that they really thought would be around for a long time. Connections that meant a lot to them. Is part of their karma. And this is what happens when you take on another person's beef that doesn't concern you. Okay? So we've got the Ace of Wands. They'll be forced to go into another timeline because they were trying to force themselves onto this timeline with you. They will be exposed with the Ace of Wands for who they are. A brat, a troublemaker, a bully. And they'll feel isolated. Even when they're around other people, they will still feel isolated and alone. And even if they're working for, this narcissist, they won't feel a connection to each other. Yeah, they won't feel a connection to each other. So was it really worth it? Yeah. Forced to go into hermit mode and forced to heal. Like I said, even when they are around other people, they will still feel abandoned and lonely. Remember, this is what they wanted for you. Yeah, people will be turning their back on them. Their shenanigans won't work anymore. They're going to be forced to work on their mental health. Possibly their financial stability too. Or just maintaining, stability within self. It will become apparent that this person's unstable. Even to their flying monkeys. They will all turn on each other. The more they strategize, plot and plan, the more blockages they will face. And they will turn on each other because they will realize that ever since they hang out with whoever, their abundance started to slow down. They will start to connect the dots because they're very smart, these individuals. They will see you being loved and they will feel judged. Or they could hear about a wedding